Hey, I made some changes for Angular 14 with StateAdapt, and I wanted to show those to you. So I'm going to go over, I've already got it up, which is great. The real world app, my favorite testing ground. So don't think I have the editor up. Either way, I need to increase this. I think that's where I was. Yeah. So let me just open up. All right, here we are. It's deprecated, so I uninstalled the extension. So whatever. Okay, what version are we at? I forgot. 46 maybe? 47? 46. All right. So I released. So core cannot depend on Angular. It has some things that only really apply to Angular in it, but I had to create a new library called StateAdapt / Angular. So I'm going to go ahead and install this again and the other one. This is Angular 14, which is awesome. So npm install, save that one and Angular. There are some things I'm exporting from Angular now, or from StateAdapt that require Angular. So and that is the inject function. So I couldn't wait to support this syntax. So what was up with this? Anyway, let's do ngserve. It should just work still, but I'm going to refactor some things to use this new syntax. It's going to be really fun. What were the changes I made before? I'm not using that, whatever. I'm not sure exactly what the changes were, but all right, looks like it's done and ready. So some stuff I was just working on. All right, there we go. I mean, everything's whoa, what? Interesting. Well, good. Apparently, it has an expiration date, what it puts in local storage. All right, so everything's still just working fantastically. Let's go to my profile. Yeah, I mean, I don't think anything is crazy here. This is kind of weird. What's going on here? Where am I? Wait, why does it look like I'm not authenticated? This is weird. Did it kick me out but not actually kick me out? I think it did. That was weird. I don't think it's like a new bug I need to care about, but it could be. But that's not the point. I mean, there could be a tiny bug that Actually, that would be in StateAdapt, because that's what I updated. And I don't think I didn't change any functionality. I just, actually I did. Yep, hang on. There might be one. Wait, how did this even build? That is what I'm wondering. Because I made a breaking change. Spy store. Spy is not a thing anymore. It's called watch now. Article list. Article list. Store. Yeah. Oh, it's just called store. Oh, facade. That's right. Okay, so spy. Why is this still working? This shouldn't be working. I don't think it should be. That's, Is it really the most recent? Oh. Yeah, okay. That makes sense. I made a breaking change, so let's get that. Oops, npm install. That's what I want. Okay. I was concerned there. Yeah, I should have done at 0.48. So, yeah. So I renamed that. I renamed that to watch. Yeah, look at that. It's already smart. It's not gonna work. Anyway, so you could just do watch. And I don't know what's going on. That's new. That was not expected. What? Oh, I bet it's because of something. I did reorganize the files quite a lot. But I mean, I was exporting them in index. The index file. Yeah, if you look here, core index, where are you? Adapter docs, core, here it is. Index. Still exporting. Action.interface. So what's the deal? What's the deal? Is it still complaining? Nope. Yep, here we go. I'm not exactly sure why this is complaining. So here's something I hate. I overloaded this function so it could be really flexible. And I explained the overloads here. However, the errors are extremely unhelpful now. So let me just comment out stuff and see. Yeah, see that? That is just bizarre. Oh, right. This is a breaking change. Just to make it more general, that's what I had to do. Alright. Okay, this is what's the deal with this? This is not expected. Yeah, I may end up creating aliases for all these, like different signatures. I don't know. I'm trying it out for now, but init, like so far it's the one. It's the one thing. So yeah, there was a good reason I switched these. It's complicated, but yeah, this is not good. What is going on here? I don't even think I've edited this file. Did I? Let me see what happens when I restart the file or this TS server again. Sometimes that actually helps. Not in this case, so I'm not sure. Did I change that file? Join selectors dot function. What did I change? I changed where I was importing things. But I mean, that is really, really mild. Well, I may have changed it before. I wonder if GitHub will help me see. Okay, so here are commits that I've made on StateAdapt. So let me just everyone counts. So anyway, use inject. Rename spy to watch, organize files. Okay, before I rename files, before I organize files, I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to browse files at this point in history. And I go to libs, core, source, lib, and the files are just massive everywhere. And this was join selectors. Okay, now here, let's look at history. Yeah, I didn't touch it. Maybe this is a TypeScript change. Maybe. Well, I could try to... I need to see if I can do variadic types for this to get rid of this craziness. I haven't really looked into it, but nobody's complained that you only can pass in 5 selectors, so... what did I change? I mean, it could have been something that I depend on. These are just types. Well, that kind of matters, though. Any selectors? Did I change that? I don't think I did. I didn't. Yeah, so what is the deal here? We've got auth facade. This is different. This selector, yeah, because of this. This is now a different object, and so is this. To type state. Huh. I didn't see this problem, and actually look at this. It's building, right? No, it's not, is it? What is the deal with that? Yep, it's in another place too. That really sucks, because that's an important capability. So far this isn't fun, this is just me debugging stuff. Yep. Oh, a lot of this has to do with probably with downstream effects of stuff like this, maybe? What do we got here? Oh, well, there's... Yes, a lot of it's going to be that. Yep. This is just this, but in different places. So, first thing I should do. Let's make sure our initial state comes first. Everywhere. Yes, that needs to come first. Okay. Needs to come first. Needs to come first. Okay. And this one as well. Okay, there we go. Now, will it work? Oh, whoa. What? I had scrolled up. Oh, and one more. So profile, facade. The first thing I should have done is fix the known issues, but sometimes I'm not smart. Yep, I got rid of that too. Huh, that's weird. So I consolidated that. Where is this going to be facade? Yeah, so setter, I consolidated all of this. Oh, I should have done this. Oh, man. Huh. I have a version of this where you can pass in an observable, like a source, but not an array of sources. I should have done that. I could have just, it doesn't have to be an overload type, just a simple OR option. Yep, I should have done that. Anyway, so it's just in it now. And this, since there is nothing like this, is this deprecated, or you have to do merge with? Yeah, pretty lame. But what happens if you have two sources that you merge into the same? Well, StateAdapt keeps track of your, yeah, okay, this should work. it keeps track by reference. So we're creating a new observable reference here. Oops. Dot merge. Oh, pipe. Merge with our friend over here. Oops. If it doesn't move to the next line, I'm going to be pissed. Okay, good. All right. So we added new lines, but only because I'm about to add this. Like I'm about to add, like maybe I should just do it right now. Where is, okay, see all these are all the, so setter source, that is now going to be or array of sources for set state change. All right, now down here we have some arguments and it's going to be confusing. So when we set source, third is source. If it's an adapter, it's an object. So I can do array.is array third or, okay, so that means it's a source. Let me go up here. Third, I need to change that to or that. And I wonder, I'm going to be doing this a bit. So where are the other sources? Right here. So do that there. Do that there. What? Stop complaining. It sure is. Oh, no, it's not. I have to add that. Here too. Basically everywhere it's that, I have to add it. So it can't be the first argument ever. So can't be part of it either. Okay. Wait, shouldn't sources be possible as part of the first? Maybe not. I've got here sources cannot ever be in the array. So okay, yeah, I could split these and name these different things, or maybe do a little bit of overload here and there, but the TypeScript stuff is just big. It's not awful. So I'm going to do observable action, aceton action. So here looks good. Yeah, looks very good. Okay, now we go to the implementation. And third is source. It's getting yeah, obviously there's the array can only be the first argument, so this is good. Let's see, is there anywhere source? Yes, okay, so source is defined. Maybe this isn't. So this is just where we need to do things now. So okay, this is fine. Is array. Array.is array. Sources. Then wait. No, this works right here. This works right there. Maybe I should make this a quick utility thing. Is observable, or because this is being repeated now. It's not that bad yet, so. Okay, that marks true, so it goes to there, right? it should. Okay, alright, well, for next time. Oh, we still got some issues, huh? Okay, well, this works now, so that's cool. Yeah, let's look at these issues then. Maybe I should just restart, because sometimes initial state. Whoa, this is a lot of red. Yeah, see, this is what I'm talking about. It's just really kind of not that wonderful. You see spy. Are we still using that somewhere? I think we are. No, we aren't. This article list component is still complaining a lot. The facade. Let's take a close. Oh, I didn't save it. Okay. Anything else like that? No. Okay. All right. What? App component. Huh. Oh, right. So that was the other thing with Updater. Since it's all unified under one thing, it's now not state, it's a store, and you do store.state. You know, it's possible that in the future I'll have like a subscribe method or something on stores, like these mini stores, and so they'll kind of look like observables that you can subscribe to, and instead of having the default state thing, actually, I'll just make this work. I don't want to. Yeah. So I could make it so that the store itself is an observable. It looks like one, but it's kind of weird because it's more like a container for things, and it'll be weird if I do that. So, yeah. It's unfortunate because the simplest case here, it just has, oh, you know what I can do though? I can make that an array. Yeah, look at that. What? Like, I know I can do this. Does it match an overload? Gosh, this is impossible to read though. What? What's going on here? Oh, is it the source? I bet it is. No. I got something wrong here. No, that's not it. So it's happy with that. So clearly I don't have anything terribly wrong. I probably don't have anything wrong. So I know that's one thing you can do. Like, actually, you can look here. Yes. Did I not make that a source? Oh, I figured this would always be small, so I didn't need to implement an array. I did, let's see. I mean, there are alternatives in this syntax as well. And then I didn't make alternatives for that one, apparently. Yeah, 6, that's how many I did. Which is okay, I guess. I just don't. It was annoying to make this, and I mean, they all are equivalent syntaxes though, because they're all doing kind of the same thing, but yeah. Normally you won't have a source this big, so that's why I didn't do that. So, yeah. Oh well. Alright, now go back here. What? Did I not save yet? Yeah, I didn't save. All right. Now are we working for the first time? Where did it go? Where'd you go? Oh, conduit. That should be updated. Okay, it's working again. Favorite. Oh, I'm on my profile. That's right. Let's see if this works how it should. No, it kicked you out again. I guess that just happens. All right. Yeah. Anyway, so it's working. So, okay, finally to the interesting stuff. Finally. So we downloaded a new library, StateAdapt / Angular. And so, yeah. The new inject function enables fun things. So, let's see. Watch. Let's do that one first because I like it a lot. There you go. Look at that. Just a watch function by itself. Let's look at that. What that is exactly. Where's the Angular one? At the end? Here it is. So I inject that dependency and then do that and assign it to that. So that was the easiest way to do this. So, and it works. I assume. No, I know it works. All right. So we can't do anything else yet, but so replace that. I love functional type programming. It's just so great. And just a little less syntax and watch. Like, there might be another library that exports something called watch, but it's unlikely. Actually, it's somewhat likely, but most of the time it's not going to be a problem. And if it is, you can just do like as whatever. You can alias it, which would be annoying, but most of the time people are going to be happy with that. So, all right, now we get to go to inits. Now, what did I do for this? Well, init is really vague. I thought about create store, but I already had something called create store. That's for creating the global store. I could have called it create store and renamed that to create global store, but I just decided to call this adapt. And reason is it's short, and I love short syntax, but also because it kind of makes sense because it's like it's commanding the adapter to adapt the state. So, yeah. All right, now we can update imports, and that's pretty cool. Anyway, let's go to the next one. We're just doing adapt. Get rid of that. Organize imports. Save. That's probably the only one. All right, now go here. Adapt. Get rid of this one. I love this. Thank you, Angular people, for doing this. This is fantastic. And hey, look at this really awkward long AF line with .state after. It's what the people want with their prettier settings. So, okay, and then adapt. Nope. We already were doing that one. So, oh, you just get rid of the constructor entirely. How cool is that? And save that. Adapt. Remove. Organize. Oh, it's so nice. So nice. Man, I think people are going to go crazy with the inject function, like really. What if you exported with your facade? What if you exported like if you just went ahead and did this? Yeah, then I wouldn't even need any of this. That's nuts. Like, is this, oh, this is using adapt. So, I mean, I could already just, like, do this and paste it there, but then you'd be importing something directly instead of injecting it. So, you could just do this. Yeah, what would be the point of doing that? Huh. Yeah, you inject functions. I think there might be a pattern where people do something like this and do that on a function that calls inject inside of it, and then you can inject this function somewhere and call it there, and then you can have like a whole chain of dependency injection. But anyway, so interesting pattern. That there are all kinds of interesting patterns that are about to come out, and I hope none of them are stupid, because there are stupid patterns, things where people just get a little too excited and overuse the new shiny feature. Yeah, that always happens. So okay, I condensed that. Cool. All right. I'm gonna look for errors, none. It's gonna just be the same thing. So, I mean, what's the point of testing if it's just always gonna be the same thing? Yeah. So, yeah, let's click on an article. We haven't been in here. Looks good. Haha. Question. Yeah, this all looks awesome. So, okay, that's it. Let's commit this. Let's. Some of these are like migrations, so we'll have a broken commit. Let's see. Upgrade StateAdapt to 0.48. Is that where we're on now? Yes. Okay, now, just because I want to get these all in the same, so let's review what just happened. Okay, so don't need adapt common. We did add an import from Angular, from StateAdapt Angular. That's pretty cool. Reordered that. That's great. Reordered. Didn't need to reorder that. That's that. This didn't change at all internally. So, I thought about doing other things with it, but you don't need it for anything. You don't need the synthetic sources. You don't need anything. Just the selectors, because you're just watching. Got rid of that. Made that adapt and that. So, just give me a bunch of that in each one. Import, update, remove, import, update, remove, import, remove, update. It's a different order. It's because it's a method that's creating the store now. So import, update, remove, import, remove, update, and yeah, that is awesome. Third try. Okay, now I will look at this code. N2. Okay, now we do, I will actually copy this. So git diff, that one, this one, stat. What do we get? So 27 insertions, 36 deletions. So minor improvement, honestly. It wasn't necessary. You know, the inject function, it wasn't necessary. It doesn't change that much. It does, but we still have yet to see what exactly it will change. So anyway, so that was fun. Hope you enjoyed. I guess, but that was. It just feels like less of a burden when you can just import the function and use it. I guess it is nicer. So I'm happy about that. And for next steps, I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing next, but I need to update the docs soon. Yeah, I think that might be my next big chore. Update all the docs for all this stuff. And yeah. Ideally, these things would be done together, but I didn't have to, so I didn't. So, all right. See ya.